If you want to make good prompts for Leonardo AI, the secret is to stop writing vague ideas and start using a simple, structured format that gives the model everything it needs. In this video, I'll show you the official workflow, how to build a stronger prompt, how to use the built-in Improve Prompt tool, and how to set up negative prompts and generation controls for better results. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Leonardo AI in your browser and log into the desktop app. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, click on Image Creation to open your generation workspace. This is where you'll type your prompt, choose your model, and control the final look of your image. Now, before you paste anything into Leonardo AI, it helps to write your prompt in a text editor first. That way, you can organize your ideas clearly and avoid missing important details. A strong Leonardo AI prompt usually works best when it follows a layered structure. Start with the core subject. This is the main person, animal, or object in your image. Then add the medium and style, such as cinematic photo, watercolor art, 3D render, or fantasy illustration. After that, describe the environment and scene, including background details, textures, and any important assets. Next, add lighting and camera instructions, like soft focus, dramatic rim lighting, 85mm lens, or wide-angle shot. Finally, finish with mood and color details such as neon tones, warm cinematic colors, or dark moody lighting. The more specific you are, the better Leonardo AI can interpret your idea. Once your prompt is ready, paste the full multi-layer text into the main prompt input box at the top of the page. Make sure the most important subject is placed near the beginning, because that helps keep the output focused. Now go to the Model Settings menu and explicitly select the engine you want to use. This matters because different models respond differently to the same prompt. Some are better for realistic images, while others work better for stylized or artistic outputs. Choosing the right model is a big part of getting good results. If you want Leonardo AI to help polish your prompt, click the Improve Prompt icon on the right side of the prompt bar. This is a great option if your wording feels too simple or too short. The AI can clean up your prompt, add stronger vocabulary, and turn a basic idea into something more detailed and visually rich. It's especially useful when you have a rough concept but want a more professional final result. If your selected model supports it, turn on the negative prompt switch in the settings panel. This lets you type exactly what you do not want in the image. For example, you can exclude blurry, deformed limbs, watermark, cartoon, or any other unwanted result. This is one of the best ways to prevent common AI image mistakes and improve the consistency of your output. After that, adjust your generation controls. Set your image dimensions, choose the right aspect ratio, and decide how many images you want to generate. These settings help you tailor the final output for thumbnails, portraits, banners, or social content. If you want a more exact result, always think in terms of subject, style, scene, lighting, and mood. For example, instead of saying something general like a mechanic, you could write a cinematic portrait of a mechanic in a sci-fi hangar, sweat on brow, volumetric lighting, 85mm lens, f/1.8, bokeh, hyper-detailed, raw photo. That prompt gives Leonardo AI a much clearer visual direction and usually produces stronger results. Once everything is set, click Generate and let Leonardo AI render your image. From there, you can review the output, refine your prompt, and generate again until you get the look you want. The key is to experiment, stay specific, and keep improving your prompt structure each time. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI prompt tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.